Welcome everyone. If you've got a Toyota Tundra, a Gen 1 Tundra, and you're tired of the jingly tailgate, I've got the fix for you. Let's take a look. This is what causes the jingly tailgate. It's the bushings and the hinge points that are worn out. Our friend Built40 here on Instagram and in Santa Cruz, California, has these beautifully sintered nylon bushings available to tighten that joint right up. You're going to need a hammer, a 1/8 punch, a spring punch, an Allen wrench, a small drill bit, large drill bit, and the bushings themselves. Let's get that tailgate off. Yeah, just lift it up and then pull the movable side out and you're good to go. Any drill bit between 3/16 and 5/16 is going to be fine. We're just going to center punch the head of that rivet. I'm going to hit it with my center drill. Then I'm going to hit it with the large drill bit and take the head of the rivet off. Once you get that head of the rivet off, then the cup just comes right out. No drama. You do want to punch that rivet out if it's being stubborn. And that's what the punch is for. There you go. All cleared out. Now we're going to put the new one in. You want to make sure you take the screw off. That's going to hold it from the back side. Now that the rivet's gone. Get it lined up exactly where you wanted it. It's going to be a little snug going in. Don't worry. Now if this was FDM printed, I probably wouldn't be tapping it in with a hammer. But since it's sintered nylon, I really wasn't worried about it. And I'm not wailing on this thing, guys. These are gentle little love taps just to get it to squeeze into that pocket. Just be gentle, take your time. You can use a dead blow hammer. It would probably be a better solution, but honestly, I'm not killing this thing. And then put the screw in from the back. You're going to need a 2.5 millimeter Allen key. Originally I had a T handle. It will not work because you don't have enough room for the T. But the regular Allen wrench, no problem at all getting in there. Then you want to grease these up. I just used a real high quality Teflon grease in there. It really doesn't matter. Just put some lube in there and she will appreciate it, believe me. Now we've got the non-removable side. Same process. We're going to center punch that rivet head. And then we're going to drill it out. I did use the center drill, but I was out of frame when I drilled with the center drill. My apologies. But anyway, another 3/16 to 5/16 is your drill bit size for this. It's not critical at all. As long as you drill the head off that rivet, you're good. Sometimes these are a little crusty getting them out of there, but don't worry, they will come out. And then you can get about the business of fixing your truck. I went to drive this out and the rivet literally pushed right out of the hole. Now we're going to remove this bolt from the non-movable side. Make sure the flat lines up with the flat in the cup. Once you get that done, again, gentle love taps, guys. You're not driving this thing to the moon. Just tapping it in there. I know some folks have used a heat gun. I really didn't want to get into that. I thought the sintered nylon would be fine, and it was. No drama. Again, light taps all the way around. And then put the fastener on the back, tighten it up with your 2.5 millimeter Allen key, and you're done attaching stuff. Just shove some grease in that hole and get it lubed up. Throw these away. They are junk. Now we're going to pop the tailgate back on and see if this was worth our time. Pop the movable side in. There we go. Put our stay cables back on. Oh my God, that is tight. It is so much better than it was before. Both sides are just tight as can be. I was so happy when I saw this. And it doesn't squeak or anything when you close it. It's so nice. It was definitely a huge improvement to my tailgate. Thanks to Built 40.